Suzuki Leeds is proud to present for sale this rare Suzuki Jimny SZ4. Let me walk you around the vehicle, hope you enjoy it. So it's a 2017, one owner, full service history. The vehicle is in brilliant condition. The vehicle's only covered just over 20,000 miles. Alloy wheels, again in very good condition with no scuffs or dents. This is a rare vehicle, one which is in high demand. The vehicle condition is excellent. The spare wheel's not been used. In a lovely pearl cool white metallic. Just to show you on the inside of the vehicle, being the top of the range SZ4 specification, the vehicle has leather seats, gives it a really nice finish and good for comfort. Again, unmarked, no wear on the seats. Going to the center part of the vehicle, this vehicle comes in a selectable four-wheel drive, as you can see in the center. So the options we have is two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, and a four-wheel drive lock. So the four-wheel drive lock's brilliant if you need the extra grip for snow, mud, or any other off-roading that you're taking place. Now, the vehicle, it doesn't come across that it's ever been off-road, so being well maintained and looked after. For infotainment, we've got the state-of-the-art Pioneer top of the range CD, radio, and a USB port, and an auxiliary port as well. Again, this is a vehicle which definitely needs to be viewed. Electric windows. So prior to leaving the dealership, this vehicle will leave with a full 12 months MOT, a full main dealer service carried out by our Suzuki approved technicians. If you have any questions or would like to have a test drive or a viewing, feel free to pop in, give us a call. We look forward to hearing and seeing you soon. Thank you.